Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Monday video. And we are going to be testing out the new L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I got mine in the color, I think it's vanilla. I don't see the color. Glasses would be good, huh? Pretty sure it's vanilla. Yes, vanilla, 445. It looks a little dark, but I thought that was the one I needed to get because I had to order it online because I can't find it anywhere. Anyways, L'Oreal says that this foundation is be unstoppable. That's what it says you're going to be, unstoppable. Introducing L'Oreal Breakthrough Longwear Foundation with breathable skin technology. Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour foundation provides medium to full buildable coverage that lasts all day and allows the skin to breathe. The formula's 3 oil absorbers resist sweat, water, and transfer. The ultra-thin liquid goes on smoothly to give fresh, healthy-looking complexion that lasts, color that stays true, and blends in evenly, so your makeup looks fresh all day. Non-comedogenic and formulated with SPF. This foundation is suitable for all skin types and comes in 30 shades, so that's good. It says up to 24-hour fresh staying power. Long-lasting foundation with their most lightweight, breathable texture, waterproof, transfer-resistant, sweat-resistant foundation, medium to full buildable coverage with a natural finish. Sounds pretty good, huh? Except that 3 oil-absorbing things. I don't really need that. I've got plenty. I don't have that much oil. My skin is on the dry side. It's normal to dry. So, we shall see. I'm going to put on my... I didn't put my... primer on ahead of time. Usually I do, just to save time. But I have had one of those days, another one of those days. I had to put up my vlog today, and it had a copyright thing because on Christmas Day we had the radio playing Christmas music all through the house, and of course it was just background. It was real low. So I didn't notice it when I was vlogging. And when I put the vlog up, I could hear it. But I thought, it's really quiet. And I only had just less than a minute of footage from when we were opening presents and stuff. So I thought, oh, it'll be fine. It wasn't. They got it right away. I think they have a machine that does that. So then I had to take it down and put it up again, or edit it, and take out the sound and put in non-copyrighted music, and put it back up. It took all day. So that was my StriVectin Blur Effector Primer, anti-wrinkle primer. So now we're going to go in with our foundation. It's a glass bottle and it has a pump. It's kind of a cheapy punk. It's a punk pump. So I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's kind of runny, see? And a little dark. That's okay. We just won't build it very thick. Oh, I have an update too. I think it was last week's we did that Lancome Re-Energy, and I said it was meh. It was pretty good, but it was real light coverage. I've been using it like every time I put makeup on since then, and I'm really liking it. I actually ordered it, and it's expensive, so I probably shouldn't have, but I really like it. It is sheer, but I just have started putting concealer over the few spots that show through, and I really like the glowiness of it. And I also ordered, because somebody told me that I really needed to try, because I mentioned in what was it? I was trying, oh, the Concealer Showdown. I mentioned that I was trying, Angie from Hot and Flashy had said how to keep your, it was in how to keep your under eyes from, I think, from getting cakey, which I didn't know was in that because it definitely got my under eyes. But I didn't use the products she used, so I didn't mean to sound like I was dissing her, because I wasn't. I didn't use the same products she used. I just tried her method because I didn't really think it was meant to be. This is really, really yellow. You might keep that in mind if you try this, that the colors are, if you can go to the store and find it, then you can just get the right color. But if you have to order it online, vanilla sounds like a, you know, a very light, not necessarily yellow, but it is yellow and not really very light. But it'll work for our test. We're going to have a short wear test though, only probably about, it's about 3 o'clock, 3:30. So 4 or 5 hours is all we're going to get on this one. See what happens when you take off your fingernails and replace them with razor blades? Because that's what my normal nails are like, razor blades. You start scratching at your face, you get scabs. Alright, let's just look at it. Oh, it doesn't look bad, other than the color, which is not the product's fault, other than the fact that the company didn't have it in stores yet. At least not here. It's supposed to have buildable coverage, but I don't know if I want to build it because it's so dark. I think we're going to not build it, and we're just going to put concealer on the spots because it's really, really dark. But it's not cakey. And it's not settling into wrinkles yet, anyways. It's just pretty sheer. I don't know if it's medium. But anyway, let's just go ahead and put on our concealer. We'll do the Huda Beauty because it's very brightening. Cover these spots. I almost forgot to put it right there. What was I thinking, huh? That is the Huda Beauty, what's it called? Overachiever. I tried to call it Outrageous. That's wrong. Oh wow. It doesn't play well with this. It's making it look really dry. Oh, that must be what those oil absorbers are doing. Sucking the life out of my concealer. Yeah, those oil absorbers in it make it dry the concealer up really fast, so you gotta work fast. but I think I made it work. All right, I'm gonna go in with my, did I tell you? Oh, I think I started to say something before and I didn't. I also ordered, when I ordered that Re-Energy, I ordered the Bye Bye Pores HD powder that she had used, that Angie had used for her under eyes, because when I said I didn't use that, somebody said I really need to use that because it does really anti-age and conceal pores and everything. So I thought, well, I better give it a try then. So I ordered that too. So we will be trying that sometime after I get it. But right now, today, I'm using my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Sorry, I forgot to tell you what I was using. I get so used to the fact that you guys already know, but there could be some new people out there who don't know. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier and do the rest of my face. Hopefully it'll tone down some of this yeller. Probably not because it's translucent, but maybe. I just won't have to use very much bronzer at all, huh? Okay. Still kind of yellow, but it'll be fine. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my makeup, and I will be... Okay, guys, I'm back. This is the final look for today. So far, I'm liking it. I think it would be great if I got the right color. I'd like to try and build it up and see how it does, because it looks really good right now. It's not sinking into lines at all. I don't think it's even close to full coverage. Barely medium coverage. But like I said, I didn't build it up at all because it was so dark. So I think if you got the right color, it's probably a really good one. But we will see at the end of the day after we have a few more hot flashes. So I will be back to check in at the end of the day. Okay guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. It's about 8 o'clock. I'm ready to take this makeup off. I know it's been kind of a short day, but I'm telling you, this stuff is really good. I think. It's really good for light coverage, and it says it's buildable. Now, we didn't build it because of the color, but I don't see any sinking into lines. It's doing really, really well. No sinking into lines, no separating. It's off, my lipstick's off, but that's because I ate dinner. I think it's good. I'm giving it a thumbs up. Oh, this is the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, the new from L'Oreal. And I'm giving it a thumbs up because it's doing really well. I wish I had got the right color. I may have to go exchange it when it comes to the... Hopefully it'll be in store soon. Look at that wild eyebrow here, not where it's supposed to be. Anyways, yes, it's a little bit yellow for me. I need to take it back and get the right color, but I think it's a good one. And it's a heck of a lot cheaper. I forgot to see how much it costs. I don't remember either. But I had to get it online. I'm sure when it comes to Walmart, it'll be cheaper. But it's good. It's not sinking in. It's passing the wrinkles test for sure, and the hot flash test. I don't remember hot flashes, but I'm sure I had them, even though it's so cold here. Anyway, giving it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!